Alrighty, I'm pretty sure that if you watch my channel, you've probably seen this other viral incident that was posted, I believe, originally on the Police Activity YouTube channel. This was out of the state of Ohio once again, and it involved an Ohio Highway Patrol trooper who was responding to a call about a vehicle accident on the freeway. And when he approached the driver of this car that had rolled over on the freeway, the driver attacked him. The trooper attempted to tase the guy, ends up going into some hand-to-hand combat, fist-fighting type stuff. The trooper, unfortunately, one way or another, was incapacitated, and his cruiser was stolen. The guy then takes his cruiser, goes driving down the road, rolls the cruiser over. I believe he was later shot. I know that he eventually died, but I heard somewhere that he was shot by officers or troopers. I'm not sure, but it was kind of funny because I saw that video very recently. Then I was going through some of the footage that I have on my computer, and I found a very similar incident that happened here in Columbus, Ohio. It was similar in the beginning, but the end result was very different. I thought this would be a good idea, a good opportunity to kind of put the two up and juxtapose what went wrong with the first one, and then what was different with this one out of Columbus, Ohio, involving Columbus police officers. So without further ado, I've got another incident that started off in a very similar way, but ended much differently. And I think it should be immediately clear to the majority of people what was different this time. And then again, I'll be back at the end of this video to kind of give you my thoughts on it.
Yeah, radio. I got him walking between the 2 and 3 lane. Put a couple cars on a 60 out here, please.
I copy. Cars responding on a 60, going to be 70 eastbound, east of Livingston, 2 and 3 lanes. Winds be pulling up everything.
Get out of Stop! Stop! It's not about black and white. It's not about black. Stop! Kill somebody. Stop! Stop! Ah, that's the Jesus.
You good, sir? Fire department here right beside you. Let me call 10-3 for you.
Calm down! I know what you're doing. Thank you. Where the fuck he come from? I don't know. We told y'all I was gonna change nations. I guess y'all had to time behind my back to make it a little faster so I can look a little serious. I don't know what that is. Sag my pants.
Good?
Yeah. You alright? I'm good, thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna make it a little faster because you guys are coming this way though, right, for him?
No, we were
can y'all take me there because I really want to see medic? Well, yeah, because everyone thinks he's on drugs. I think he is too. Okay. You get him checked out. I am. Y'all know. Y'all know that's y'all gotta put me in front of him. Yeah. That's on mystery. That's on mystery, y'all. Put me in front of him just like that. Y'all please pick me up and take it just like that. I'm a street nigga for people. Brothers, I'm a hood. No, you don't understand what it's about.
120.
It's not about black and white. It's about teaching the hood. I love the hood. Use the taser. Y'all gonna take I got one in custody right now. I got CFD. Engine 21 here. Put up your hands. Freedom. Freedom. I know that's freedom, y'all. Freedom in the street. Y'all don't see it. Okay. I'm here. I'm here. That's that music. Calm down, man. Just calm down. Yes, sir. You know my dad. It's time to show. It's time to be the regular world again. Y'all fight. You have any weapons? Yes, all types of weapons. Take what? But I'm saying, we got a vision. I want to show that this is tight. I want to put that, okay, I love you guys. It's not about who you are. It's about what's in you. It's about what's in you. It's not about the clock and get good, bitch. He loved me. See, he about to love me. He about to act like he's like, man, this is real life, man. Real life.
Right.
Angel.
Hey, bring your knees.
Hey, I love y'all to death. Y'all showed me something.
Okay, we're gonna get you up, okay?
For this man.
And bring your knees up to your chest, okay?
All right. So,
All right.
y'all look. Y'all come.
Why is it in the back of your car?
I'm not.
Where's this barb at?
Really? Really? I don't like the way he just said that. You know something wrong with it.
120 advised. He doesn't need a medic or anything. 120.
120, I already informed engine 21. There should be a medic heading this way. This might be high in 40 on A. 28's here. Got to have the medic remove the probes from the taser as well. They're in his code.
Just shut your mouth and cooperate. That's all you gotta do.
Thanks for stopping, man.
Yeah, no problem.
They're in his code.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I don't know if they made penetration or not. They're in his code.
You gonna make all those
Okay. Just kidding.
I will.
Here we go, Weatherman.
Y'all gotta have. Y'all got y'all.
What's your name? What's your name?
Well, Lionel the Bull now.
Hey, when do you guys get this guy's information as a witness?
sir, can you come on in, sir?
Hey, can we get your witness? Can we get your information, please?
Yeah, look up somebody I knew. I really did.
Yeah, he said he's grabbing one out of his bag.
Yeah, I think we're good.
Hey, we're gonna sit on this bench right here, okay?
Watch your head, watch your head, watch your head.
You're good. Have a seat right here.
Have a seat right here.
First one. Right in the first one. There you go. We'll hop in real quick so I can call. You all right, man? Yeah. What's going on today?
I can't hear you, man. Well, just 1 second. I'll come in there and get you.
You say you're sorry? We appreciate that, man.
Hey, you all right? We're okay. We're good. Okay. I got a squad coming to talk to you too. Okay. Check you out. All right.
Alrighty, so initially this video was very similar to the one with the trooper. It didn't involve a traffic crash. There's just a guy running around out on the freeway. The officer is pulling up on scene, gets on the radio and says, hey, start me some more cars on a 60. That means I need emergency backup. A 60, 1060 means lights and sirens for Columbus police officers. He then puts the vehicle in park and takes the key out of the ignition. It's a very pro move, I would say, by this officer. He knew, you know what, I'm going to get out of my car on the freeway. I don't want someone steal my car. I'm going to take the key with me. First thing. Then immediately when he gets out of the car, he doesn't even have an opportunity to give any verbal commands. The guy just comes charging at him. He attempts to tase the guy. The guy's wearing a loose fitting, actually really thick jacket, and he's kind of hunched over at the time, creating some space between the jacket and his body. The taser probes hit the jacket, didn't affect the guy. The officer calmly, while backing up, swaps out taser cartridges, attempts to tase the guy again, ineffective. And then what happens? This video is very different than the one with the trooper because there were some people on the freeway that stopped to help. This particular instance, it wasn't just regular do-gooder citizens. There was one guy that did stop to help the officer, and you saw some communication with him there. But luckily for this officer, there was a fire engine that was going the other way on the freeway, just happened to stop at the exact same place that this officer stopped. They were able to help him. They were able to use their radios to communicate with our dispatch center, get the officer more help. And I thought this one was also really interesting. If you saw the way the guy was talking to the officers at the end, he actually apologized to the officers for what happened, because as much as he was out of his mind, he still is kind of in there somewhere. And this is something that I've seen with a lot of people that are in this state of, what's the word I'm looking at? Like drug-induced psychosis. This might not have been drug-induced, but more than likely it was drug-induced. But, you know, they're aware that they're out of their mind. They're aware that they're not in control. They regret that they're not in control. And sometimes the person that's deep down inside will actually come out. And then immediately they're back to their craziness. But luckily in this situation, nobody was severely hurt. The officers were all okay. The guy that was out on the freeway ended up all okay and was taken to a hospital. So good result, thankfully, in this particular incident. That's it for me today, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you soon.